How to record Google Meet video calls. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. It is a quick and easy process. Starting off, launch your Google Meet application in your mobile device. Now in here, first and foremost, join a meeting or create a meeting. Then just tap on the join bubble given to you. Tap on Got it. Now as you can see, there is no option of record your meeting. So what you actually have to do is use an external recording app or use your built-in recording application. You can just tap on record screen and your recording of your Google Meet will be enabled. Now if you also want to record the sound in your meeting, go ahead and press and hold onto your screen record option. Now in here you will see the option of record sound. Make sure to select the option of microphone and system audio. By that way you'll be able to record the sound as well. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, press and hold onto your Google Meet. Tap on App Info. Stop it, tap on OK, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. After this, to check for an update, you can open up your Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for your Google Meet. Tap on the application, and if there is an update, leave it for an update. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.